A long time ago, there were giant and cruel creatures living on our planet Earth. They killed anyone with no mercy. They were born to be killers. For studying prehistoric eras, the Mesozoic is one of our favorites. Not only did Earth bloom its first flowers, but it was also the age of one of the most impressive groups of creatures who have ever lived, the dinosaurs. Be it tiny and carnivorous or giant and herbivorous, I bet there are no other creatures that might have struck as much fear and terror bore into our hearts to admitting. Dinosaurs are giant reptiles. Hello science lovers, welcome to Theory of Science. Today's video will try to find out what killed the dinosaurs and other life on Earth. Before we start, you need to subscribe to this channel. If you won't, then you don't get the notification about our latest videos. So, what thing first comes to your mind when you hear dinosaurs? Let me guess. The Jurassic World series, am I right? Don't you guys wonder how the makers know what kind of sound dinosaurs make? But what is the reason behind the vanishing of those creatures from the Earth? They seem to rule the biosphere forever, but one day their world was destroyed. 66 million years ago, the end of the Mesozoic Cretaceous Period, just like Thanos' snap. Scientists set out to pinpoint the causes of 5 mass extinction events that changed life on Earth in a geological moment. Some scientists argue that a comet or asteroid hitting the Earth was most likely responsible for the mass destruction, while others argue that a massive volcanic eruption was to blame. What aspects do you think are in demand? Let us know in the comments. Let's see the facts. In 1980, scientists hypothesized that an asteroid impact had caused the catastrophe. They found much more iridium in 66 million-year-old clay around the world than in layers above, in below which they are very rare substances on Earth. But some types of asteroids have a lot of them. Therefore, iridium is sometimes called space metal. Scientists theorize that the asteroid likely carried the metal in the impact event. 10 years later, another research team pinpointed the exact location of the impact. A 180-kilometer diameter crater had been discovered on the Yucatan Peninsula named Chicxulub. In addition, recently in a New Jersey quarry, he found 25,000 fossil animal fragments. These creatures went extinct the same day at the end of the Cretaceous Period. Further evidence of a mass extinction following an asteroid impact. While the Tyrannosaurus was enjoying his lunch, rocks 10 kilometers wide and weighing trillions of options erupted into the atmosphere. An asteroid hit the Gulf of Mexico. The energy released by the collision was roughly equivalent to that of 10 billion Hiroshima nuclear bombs. In 1 second, the asteroid penetrated them. The whole Earth shook with its impact like 1,000 bells. The asteroid destroyed the workhouse cluster we saw earlier. Animals were grazing near where the Hell Rock fell. Dinosaurs could not escape the unimaginable heat. We still don't know the reason behind the end of the dinosaur era, but we can see their skeleton and fossils in museums. One more thing we can see is the subscribe button, so boom it. Until we exist on Earth, let's continue. However, the one dinosaur egg survives unharmed somewhere underground. After some time, young individuals hatched. Little herds of dinosaurs appeared here and there, but cold, hunger, and disease brought their eventual demise. The age of dinosaurs is over. The CENOZOIC has begun. The dust cloud took decades to dissipate on the planet, eventually allowing heat and sunlight to reach the surface. Nature woke up from the ruins. Angiosperms and grasses followed closely. Other animals, dominated by dinosaurs for millions of years, were ready to march bravely into a new age of a mammalian. Some of them survived catastrophes in underground structures. Others stayed in trees. They adapted well to extreme conditions, reproduced quickly, and were relatively little. They are guaranteed to thrive on their regenerated planet. The evolutionary success of mammals led to the emergence of Homo sapiens, today's dominant species on Earth. Volcanic eruptions conjointly rocked the Indiana landmass around the time of the nice Archosaurian reptile die-off, making what they knew these days because of the Deccan Highland. This, very similar to the asteroid strike, would have extensive world effects, blanketing the atmosphere in mud and harmful fumes. Dyspneic dinosaurs and different life, besides sterilization of the climate on long-time scales. The researchers say that theories in favor of annihilation by asteroid impact depend on the Chicxulub impactor. This area of rock crash-landed in Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula around the same time that the dinosaurs went extinct. All different theories that tried to explain what killed the dinosaurs, as well as geological phenomenon, got steamrolled once the Chicxulub impact crater was discovered, says Brennan Ryder, an associate in nursing profession of earth sciences on Dartmouth College. However, he points out that there is little proof of comparable impact events that coincide with the opposite mass extinctions, despite decades of exploration. Evidence suggests an asteroid impact was the major culprit. Volcanic eruptions that caused large-scale climate change may have also been involved, but the main reason is a biologically important property of stratospheric SO2, is its strong absorption of UV light from the sun in the UV wavelength range of 290 to 320 nanometers. In today's stable atmospheric conditions, ozone attenuates the intensity of UV light reaching the Earth's surface. However, the UV absorption capacity of SO2 is 2.5 times that of ozone. Trace amounts of SO2 from human activities, such as those emitted by cities, have a limited impact on UV at ground level. However, the stratospheric sulfur mass of the Chicxulub impact, possibly combined with that of the Deccan volcanism, would have been sufficient to completely block UV rays from reaching the surface for more than a decade. Hope you, all science lovers, will enjoy this video. Which is your most fascinating dinosaur? And what killed dinosaurs and other life on Earth? Tell us in the comments. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to The Theory of Science. Press the bell icon to get notifications. Check out our channel for more interesting videos.